The Qlife Racer Electric Bike for adults is an impressive fusion of cutting-edge technology and rugged design, aimed at both mountain biking enthusiasts and casual riders. With its 21-speed transmission and robust electric assistance, the Qlife Racer promises an exhilarating riding experience, whether you're tackling steep trails or cruising through city streets. Design and build quality. The first aspect that stands out about the Qlife Racer is its striking design. The bike boasts a sleek and modern aesthetic that appeals to a wide range of riders. The frame is constructed from high-quality aluminum, providing a lightweight yet sturdy structure that can withstand rough terrains. The matte finish and subtle color options add a touch of sophistication, making it an attractive choice for adults looking to combine functionality with style. The bike's geometry is well designed for both comfort and performance. The adjustable seat post and ergonomic handlebars allow for a customized riding posture, ensuring that riders of all heights can find a comfortable setup. Additionally, the suspension fork absorbs shocks effectively, providing a smoother ride over bumps and uneven surfaces. This feature is particularly beneficial for mountain biking, where uneven terrain is the norm. Performance and speed. When it comes to performance, the Qlife Racer shines with its powerful 250W brushless motor. This motor provides a significant boost, allowing riders to tackle inclines with ease. The bike features a peak power output of up to 750W, which means you can reach higher speeds without exhausting yourself. The pedal assist mode is a game-changer for those who want to extend their riding range while minimizing fatigue. It offers 3 levels of assistance, allowing you to adjust the power based on the terrain and your fitness level. The bike's 21-speed transmission system is another highlight. The gear shifting is smooth and responsive, enabling riders to easily switch between gears when facing varying terrains. Whether you're gliding down a hill or powering up a steep incline, the bike responds effortlessly to your pedaling efforts. This versatility makes the Qlife Racer suitable for both beginners and seasoned riders who appreciate a good challenge. Battery life and charging. One of the standout features of the Qlife Racer is its 36V lithium-ion battery, which offers an impressive range of up to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on the terrain and level of pedal assist used. This range is more than adequate for most commuting needs and recreational rides. The battery is conveniently removable, which allows for easy charging at home or work without the need to bring the entire bike indoors. A full charge typically takes around 4 to 6 hours, and the battery status indicator on the control panel keeps you informed about remaining power levels. Safety features. Safety is paramount when it comes to biking, and the Qlife Racer does not skimp on this front. It is equipped with front and rear disc brakes, providing reliable stopping power in any weather condition. The brakes are responsive and easy to engage, giving riders confidence when navigating downhill or in busy urban areas. Additionally, the bike comes with built-in LED lights, enhancing visibility during low-light conditions and ensuring that you remain safe while riding at night. User experience. Riders often report a positive experience with the Qlife Racer due to its intuitive controls and user-friendly design. The LCD display provides essential information such as speed, distance traveled, battery life, and current assistance level, making it easy to monitor your performance. The overall ride quality is smooth, and the bike handles well even in challenging conditions. While the bike is primarily designed for adults, its adjustable components make it suitable for older teens as well, widening its appeal. The Qlife Racer Electric Bike can be a fantastic option for families or individuals looking to engage in outdoor activities together. Conclusion. In summary, the Qlife Racer Electric Bike for adults is a stellar choice for anyone seeking a reliable, feature-rich electric mountain bike. Its combination of stylish design, powerful performance, and thoughtful safety features makes it an excellent investment for both casual riders and serious mountain biking enthusiasts. The bike's versatility, with 21 speed options and an impressive battery life,